Everyone, today we are making a video on how to make PowerPoint presentations in Google Classroom. I click on Google Classroom, I go to the assignment which has to be sent to the teacher. Click on this up arrow, click on add attachment. You can see there is option new slides. Now new slides, let us try to understand. Microsoft calls it as presentations, Google calls it as slides. So click on new slides and you can see one attachment will automatically get added, which will not be seen by the teacher as of now because we have not handed in. So now you see the presentation has been created. Now click on the slide. You can see there is edit slide. Click on edit slide and start making the presentation. As you can see at the bottom there is plus sign to add more slides. There are different types of slides, so you can select the slides. Now 2 slides. Now I'll add one more. I see 3 slides, and whatever you want to do the entries, you can click on that. You can see at the bottom there are formatting options, adding color, bold, underline, and so on. So you can do whatever things you want to do with that. I'll just make some changes in few of the slides. And after you finish all this, then you can yes, there are more options over here which you can do. Now after finishing all this, then you can click on the blue tick mark at the top left hand side, and after finishing your entire presentation, then you can close this. And once you have closed this, now you can see the presentation is here, but the teacher will not be able to see it because you have not submitted it. For submission, you need to click on hand in. You can also click on this presentation and you can continue editing this presentation. You can click on this edit. Now you can see I can make the changes in the presentations. Now it's not yet made in the PowerPoint, Google Slides, I'm sorry. But you can click on this arrow and again open it in the Google Slides. Now keep on editing it until you wish to, and then after that you can click on hand in to submit it. I hope this helps. It's the same case in case of slides, PDF, and new documents. So it's documents refers to Microsoft Word, new slides refers to Microsoft PowerPoint, new sheets refers to Microsoft Excel. So depending on your requirement. Thank you.